Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So, yeah, we had a bearish flag break, which we were talking about yesterday, but now we have what is looking like a bull flag. Oscillator's not offering much advice, but and there's probably some textbook pattern for this. But anyway, that was your bear flag. It did look like we were breaking it, and now I think you can actually just discredit this one completely and then just focus on this channel that we have at the moment. Moving averages are flat here on the 8 hour. We are going nowhere. There's absolutely nothing on offer here. We did bounce off a little bit of structure. If you look left, there it is there, 38,448, and we have an inside bar. Got a pin bar and inside bar off that, but what that basically means is the high of this bar is the level, let's call it the reaction level. That's when I want to be looking for longs, when I get above that. So that's from the 8 hour perspective. When we look at this on the 3 hour, pin bar off a level, nicely structured. You could argue that we want above that level, above the high of that pin bar, but we are below the moving averages, so I'll take it with a pinch of salt right now. Don't really want to be chasing longs on this instrument when I'm below the 150 EMA on the 3 hour. When we get to the 1 hour, similar kind of picture, right? So above and below the moving averages yet again. So that is confusion. There is no structure there. Look at my oscillators now, all indicating that we're going to reject the top of this channel and move to the downside. We're also in amongst the moving averages here. So I am not of the opinion that you should be trading this. So I've given you a zone, and this is, you can see there's the fractional highs, there's fractional lows, nice juicy pin bar in amongst that as well. So it's kind of your pivot point, I would suppose, 38,754 and 38,777. So we're either going to reject this, it's a strong area of resistance, or we're going to get above it, come back, pull the base here, which is going to break the channel as well, get above the moving averages, and then set up the move to the upside. So until that happens, I am not interested. I have zero interest in trying to second guess this right now. This is a fairly decent 15-minute bit of structure here off a level, but it would have been against the trend, so not even going to talk about hindsight there, because ignoring it and not taking the trade was the right decision. Even with the diversions, everything here, diversions from the moving averages, diversions on the oscillators, pin bar off structure, engulfing bar, there's your second pullback. I mean, everything here is just screaming long, but against the bigger trend, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so for me, this is a wait and see game, and I would want to see us get above 38,777 on the hour and pull back into this zone on the hour before I even start looking at this as a potential opportunity to the upside. The S&P 500 is different. It is already looking like it is going to be breaking its consolidation range at the moment and accelerate to the upside. So these things tend to move in tandem, but sometimes the Dow just lags a bit, or it has a second leg down or something stupid before it actually gets going. And sorry, there's another very strong area of support which I think would be a wise retest. So that would be 38,676 or 38,670 area. There's a little tail a little bit lower down as well. Okay, so reject this for the morning, come back, build a base here, get decent structure off here like we see off the bottom here. That would probably give me the opportunity to get a small position in, anticipating a break of this range, anticipating getting up above these levels to the upside, and this ultimate level to the high, to the upside here is 38,850. So I need to get back above that ultimately, build a base on that, and that would then give me the confidence I need for me to start looking for the longs. Okay, so moral of the story is probably still another day of sitting and waiting and just waiting for the structure and the proper retest before looking for the opportunities. Been a tough couple of weeks waiting, but anyway, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.